The Chinese military is building its first carrier-based early warning plane capable of tracking stealth aircraft like the US's F-22s and F-35s used by services worldwide. The People's Liberation Navy is overseeing the construction of the aircraft. Military commentators are calling the KJ-600, which will feature an advanced electronically scanned area radar, ESA. ESA can detect stealth fighters at a very long range. Maritime security expert Colin Koh of Nanyang Technological University in Singapore said that China's KJ-600 may prove the veracity of beliefs about China's ambitions to build a blue water navy capable of operating far from Chinese shores. Beijing plans to operate 4 carrier groups by 2030. The country's Liaoning carrier, the only carrier in service with the Tla-end, is a modernized old Soviet-built Kuznetsov-class aircraft carrier. China is building 3 more carriers at domestic shipyards, with the first making its maiden sea voyage last April.